lesson is solving 1 and 2 step inequalities. We will be following the same rules for solving equations, except if we multiply or divide by a negative number for our very last step, we are going to flip the sign. So let's start with number 1. N minus 6 is less than or equal to negative 14. We need to get the variable by itself, so we're going to add 6 to both sides. This cancels out. Again, that was our goal. So n is less than or equal to negative 14 plus 6 is a negative 8. And when you go to graph that, I put my negative 8 in the middle, the negative 7, negative 6. We're just going to graph this one. We won't be graphing all of them. Negative 9, negative 10. And it's going to be a solid circle. And since n is less than, it's going to be going toward the smaller numbers. For number 2, we're going to go ahead, and this is a division problem. The opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by the denominator of 4. So we end up with 4 fourths, or just this cancels out. X is less than a negative 16. Notice we multiplied by a positive number, so we did not change the sign. For number 3, we're going to go ahead, this is multiplication. So we're dividing by a negative 9. Did you hear me say dividing by a negative? Yes, since I did here, I am going to go ahead and flip my sign. So x is going to be less than or equal to, when we divide a negative 90 by negative 9, it is a positive 10. So now here are our 2-step problems. We always add or subtract first. So I know I have to go ahead and subtract 4 to move it to the other side of the inequality. So I have 2x, and it is a greater than, and I do now have 24 minus 4 is 20. Now I'm going to, this is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. I'm dividing both sides by 2. So x is greater than 10. And last but not least, number 5, we have the 4 in the front and it's positive. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. And notice that's gone. That's negative subtraction sign now becomes a negative 2x. And it is greater than 10 minus 4 is 6. Notice there is a negative 2 there. I have to divide both sides by negative 2. And since I'm dividing by a negative, I am going to flip my sign, and x is less than negative 3. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.